Well, hello everybody. Hope everybody's having a great evening, great afternoon, great morning, wherever it is. Today we're going to bring you the little Simba. This is Beast Kingdom's Mastercraft, MC-012. Coming in at 29 centimeters long by 24.5 centimeters wide by 31 centimeters high. And you can see here she's just a beautiful, beautiful piece. She comes in 4 pieces: the head, the tail, the body, and the base. I just love the little I guess it's a flower around his head. I really like that. Like I said, the tail is a separate piece. Connects right there at the base. You can see the little crack right there. She does sit on the base, like all Beast Kingdoms, with a square notch, so she won't slide off, or he won't slide off, I should say. I really like this one. It's one of my favorite. The smash hit Lion King. If you check the channel, you can see the Lion King show at the Tusker House right there. Just a great paint job, just a great rendition of Simba, young Simba. Definitely, no doubt. Love the colors. Color scheme's dead on. We got number 366 of 3,000. It's a limited edition of 3,000. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Beast Kingdom's Mastercraft, MC-012, Little Simba. Hug someone you love. Peace.